Hi guys, it's me, Catherine. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here, this is a channel where we talk about how to make money online. And if you've been here before and you're a subscriber, welcome back. I'm glad to have you. So if you've not subscribed, remember to click the subscribe button. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make $50 per day having conversations with people online, or teaching them a language that you know. So it's been a long time since I created a video, and I think it's been a month or something. I'm so sorry for disappearing, but here I am back again, and yeah, we are continuing from where we left off. So welcome, let's get right into this video. So how do you make $50 per day having conversations with people? I'm sure some of you, or many of you, have actually ever searched on the net how to make money through working online and all that. And so today I'm going to talk to you about how you can actually make $50 per day. And this is a rough estimate of a figure that I've quoted for you, because you can actually make more than that if you make this a full-time job for yourself working online. You can actually make more than $50 per day. So what is this about? I'll start by explaining what it is you're going to be doing. The thing is, there's a website that you can be able to teach people a language that you know. So whether it's English, whether it's Kiswahili, whether it's your mother tongue, whichever language you know, you can be able to sign up and become a teacher and teach people the language that you know. But before you click away because you're thinking, I'm not a teacher, I don't know how to teach people, just hold on a minute, because I'm going to tell you how you can be able to do this. And you don't have to be a teacher, you don't have to know how to teach people in the first place. And stick to the end, because I'm going to tell you at the end how you can actually do this through by using your phone. Like, you don't need a laptop to do this job. You can actually work with your phone. So at the end, I'm going to tell you how. So stick to the end, okay? So as you continue, if you've not hit the like button, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. What is the website called? Getting right into it. What is the website called? This website is called Italki. I think many of you may have heard of it, or some of you may have heard of it. Italki.com. This website is for professional teachers and community teachers or tutors. Let me say tutors. So what is this website about? It's actually a platform where people get on to learn languages. So if you want to learn a language, if anyone wants to learn a language, be it English, be it Arabic, be it French, be it Kiswahili, any language, they can get there, they can sign up and pay and get teachers to teach them. So I'll start by explaining how you sign up to the platform. If you want to become a teacher there, you want to be the one teaching people the languages, or yes. And as I've said, you don't have to actually be a teacher. You don't have to be a professional teacher, because you can sign up as either a professional teacher or a community tutor. And when you sign up as a community tutor, that's the most interesting part. You can, all you'll be doing is having conversations with people who have a rough idea of the language that you're teaching. So you don't have to be like a teacher and have these lesson plans and all that. Yes, you have to prepare for your lessons and all that, but it's more of a conversation that you'll be having with these people, because this may be someone who maybe wants to visit a certain country that speaks that language, and so they are here to just know, the colloquial language, how to just speak the language when they go to a particular country and all that. So that's why I'm saying you don't have to be a professional teacher. But if you're a professional teacher, good for you. You can actually sign up as a professional teacher, and the best part about that is that you can actually earn more. You can set up higher rates as a professional teacher. So how do you sign up for Italki? It's very simple. The process is very simple. you'll go to teach.italki.com. So write that on your browser, teach.italki.com. And when you open that web page, you're going to get a place to sign up. So when you're told to sign up, you'll write your details, your name, your email address, and all that. Next thing, you'll receive an email, but this email will welcome you like a student. So don't be shocked when you get that email, because it will welcome you as a student. But don't worry about that. That's how it just goes. So when you get that email to confirm that you've signed up, you're now going to go on the platform and now sign up as a teacher. So you're going to write your details. Sign up as a tutor, a professional teacher, or a community tutor. So the first thing you need to do before you apply as a teacher, after you've signed up, written your name and your email address, there's a page where they'll show you that you can check the availability of the language you want to teach. This is very important. This is a very important step, guys. So listen carefully. When you go to that page, it will show you the languages that are available for tutoring or teaching. So every week they normally update that page, that list. So if the language you want to teach is not in that list, it means it's automatically available for teaching. But there are also some languages which will be there, and they'll write that those languages are available for teaching. And if the language you want to teach is written there and it says that it's not available, it's closed, so it means you cannot apply for a teacher to become a teacher in that language. So what will you do? You'll just wait for the next week, and hopefully it's going to be opened so that you can apply as a teacher for that language. But once you're in. It doesn't mean that every week you have to keep checking if you can teach. No, once you've applied, you've gone through the process that I'm taking you through, that's it. You're a teacher and you can be able to teach on the platform. So what's the next step? Fill in your personal details. That's your name, your birth date. They'll also require you to give your Skype name, but that's not a must. But the main things are your name and your birth date, and also your photo. You need to upload your photo. So after that, you'll get the space to fill in your teaching profile. So in this place, you need to upload a video, an introductory video. And this video is just a very short video. I think it's about 1 to 4 minutes long. You're supposed to introduce yourself to the students. So it's almost like you're marketing yourself, so that when a student wants to come and learn the language that you're teaching, they can click on your video and hear about how your teaching style, what your teaching style is, or maybe a bit about yourself, a bit about your knowledge about the language. Maybe if you're a professional teacher, or if you're a community tutor, you'll just talk about maybe it's your native language and all that. So the introductory video is supposed to be just short and catchy. It's supposed to be aimed at the students, the people who will be coming to the platform to learn the language. So you'll make that video at that point, and then you'll upload it. So after that, you'll get an email saying that you've been pre-approved. But at that point, you've not yet been fully approved. So you'll have to follow a few steps before you are completely, free to teach. So what are the things you'll need to do? You'll need to verify your identity. At this point, you'll need a webcam, so that, they'll tell you to do something like maybe move your hands or shake your head and all that, just to make sure you're a real person and it's you who applied. And then they'll also require you to do a quiz. Before the quiz, they'll require you to watch a video, a teacher success video. Okay, so this video is what they will quiz you on, and it's very simple. So don't freak out about the quiz and wondering if you're going to pass the quiz and all that. It's a very simple quiz. And then the next thing, they'll ask you to download and read the Italki teacher handbook. And after that, they will schedule a group video call with you, where you and other teachers or tutors who want to start teaching on the platform, you'll have a session where you'll have everything explained to you. So it's going to take about an hour or so. So after that, you're going to get an email approving you to teach on the platform. And that's it. That's it. All this, it won't take a very long time. It may take a few hours or a few days. So look out for all those emails at every stage. So once you've been approved to teach on the platform, now you will get in and now set your rates and also create your calendar. Set up your calendar schedule. So that is how you set up the account. But after that, how do you work on the platform? Because I'm sure you're still wondering, like, so how is it that I'm going to be working? What is it that I'm going to be earning? So how the platform works is you schedule, you on your calendar, you'll be showing what times you're available to teach. So there's normally a trial session that a student can pay for. So the trial session most of the time is cheaper than the actual class. The trial session can be like 30 minutes. And the full class is like 60 minutes, but it all depends on the student, how much time they book you for. So if you will show the times that you're available. So when you're available and a student is there looking for a teacher and they find that you're available, they can click on your profile on your page, and you can start a session, or they actually have to plan that in advance. So they will book you in advance. So you will just have a session, and it's not face to face really, but on video, on camera. So you'll be able to teach this person. If you're a professional teacher, yes, you'll have a lesson plan and all that, and agendas for the class and all that. And even if you're a community tutor, you still have to prepare. You still have to plan that this is what I'm going to teach my student and all that. But they're more of conversational. So you can ask them questions like, what are your hobbies? Which countries have you visited? So if you can just hold a conversation with someone. And even if you cannot, don't worry, because this is something that you'll prepare in advance. So you can prepare the questions in advance and it will just flow. Once you start speaking with someone, you'll get the next idea and the next one. And depending on how much you have planned, it will also help you to, make the work easier. So that's how you go about it. And with that, you earn your money. So how much do you make? How much can you make from Italki, this platform Italki? Before I tell you that, I want to remind you to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, because I make videos like this. And if you're interested in making money online, this is the place you want to be. So how much can you make from Italki? So this is the thing. The rates are up to you. It's up to you to set your rates. But obviously you can't set too high, your rates can't be too high. You have to consider what other people are charging for their lessons. So on average, if you go to the website, you'll realize on average, the rate per hour, that is 60 minutes, is $10. Some people can charge less than that, $8, $9, and some can charge more than that, like $12, even $15. So I'm just going to give you that average of $10. Imagine if you charge $10 per hour and you actually get to have students for 5 hours in a day. What have you made? $50 in a day. And the more you do it, the more you're available, the more you bond with students, the more students you get. It means the more hours you can teach. And if you're doing this as a full-time thing, then you can make more money. So that's as simple as that. You can make $50 per day teaching on Italki. You get it, guys? And I'm not exaggerating this. There's so many people. If you have any doubts, just go on the platform. Just go to italki.com and check the teachers there. And maybe you can even search for, like, for example, if you're in Kenya and you would want to teach Kiswahili or your mother tongue, like Luo or Kikuyu or Masai, just check there and you'll see there's so many Kenyans who are, already teaching there on the platform. And I know of a few people who are teaching on the platform and they make good money out of it. So if you want to do this, just sign up. Don't fear. Don't worry. Don't overthink it, just sign up. So how do you collect your money? At the end of it all, after you've made this money, how do you collect it? So Italki pays once every month, So you can either withdraw your money through PayPal or through Payoneer. And I would advise you withdraw it through Payoneer. That's the bank transfer. You will see it written the bank transfer, and you can use the details from Payoneer. And if you don't have a Payoneer account, don't worry, I've got you. I made a video explaining how to open an account on Payoneer. So check it out in the description box below. I've left a link there. Just click on the link. It's free to create an account on Payoneer. Just create your account and yeah, get to it. And I created a video explaining step by step how to make your Payoneer account. I explained it using the actual, steps and, on my laptop and everything. So yes, it's going to be very easy for you. So just check that in the description box below and you'll be good to go. So that's it, guys. If you want to make $50 per day speaking to people or teaching them a language that you know, get on Italki and start teaching. Become a tutor, become a community tutor, or if you're a professional teacher, get on Italki and start teaching there. You might end up earning so much more than your day job. You might end up deciding to quit your day job and doing that full time. So it's up to you. So I promise that at the end I'm going to tell you how to do this using your phone. So the main thing that you have to know is how to sign up using your phone, your smartphone. It's very simple, guys. Just type in what I told you, teach.italki.com. When you type that on your browser, you'll get, yes, the website will open up, the web page, but the important step is this. At the top right corner of your phone, you will see 3 dots. When you click on that dot and you scroll to that drop-down menu, you will see the menu open using desktop browser, desktop view. So that's what you'll click on, so that you will have the desktop view but on your phone. And from there, just follow the process as I've explained to you, and you'll be good to go. And you'll set up everything, yes, and you'll be ready to start teaching on Italki. So that's it, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, the like button, and subscribe if you haven't for more videos like this. So I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.